Thousands of radioactive material shipments are safely made around the world each day. They range from smoke detectors and isotopes used in medicine all the way to used nuclear fuel. Canada, largely because of its history as a major world supplier of medical isotopes, makes about 800,000 to 1 million shipments of radioactive material every year. We began transporting small quantities of used nuclear fuel in the 1960s, including in 1976 the movement of 360 used CANDU fuel bundles from the Douglas Point Nuclear Generating Station in Ontario to Atomic Energy of Canada's Whiteshell Laboratories in Pinawa, Manitoba. Currently, approximately 5 to 10 used fuel shipments are made annually, mostly from the operating nuclear reactors in Ontario, Quebec, and New Brunswick, to AECL's research facilities at Chalk River, Ontario, where they are taken for examination and research. Around the world, shipments of used fuel take place routinely on a large scale. In the United States, nearly 3,000 shipments of commercial used fuel have been moved over 2.5 million kilometers in the last 40 years, some of it by rail, but primarily over roads. In that time, there have been no accidents resulting in a release of radiation causing damage to the environment, to workers, or to the public. The United Kingdom and France, which are both much more densely populated than Canada, convey a combined average of 650 shipments of high-level radioactive waste every year, primarily by rail. Trains regularly carry used fuel from nuclear generating stations to reprocessing facilities at Sellafield in northwest England and The Hague on the Normandy coast in France. Sellafield and The Hague have also been destinations for some of Japan's used nuclear fuel, which arrives by ship for reprocessing. Since 1975, over 170 shipments from Japan to Europe have been safely and successfully completed, involving more than 2,000 flasks and covering a total distance of 8 million kilometers.